share resources, and share resources works well with everybody. And so with a share resources, that means you're going to be presenting to them, but in share resources, you can bring another person. In fact, in case you don't know, if you're in any kind of business where you sell anything, where meaning you're exchanging something for money, it's normally done in two. So it's not unusual to do two in one. And so you always naturally say, hey, I know we're going to meet. And Janice, I know we're going to meet today. Me and Teresa Johnson are going to be there. And I'm going to say that at the beginning as if it's a normal thing for me to say. I'm not going to say, well, by the way, I might have my... No, I'm going to talk about it with posture. Hey, Teresa Johnson's going to be with me because we like to make sure we take good care of everybody, and both of us need to understand what you need. I'm going to say things like that so that they know Teresa's going to be there. So that when she's there, they're not looking in the room and say, oh, what you got me into? Because I don't know if you've been like me. Whenever I walk into somewhere and they didn't tell me someone else was going to be there, I'm like, ooh, what you got me into? That was the first thought I typically have because I was never told there was going to be somebody. So be okay with telling people right out the gate that you're going to be meeting with somebody else so that you and that person can meet with them.